Hello and welcome back to Developers Diary. In the previous tutorial, we have create, post and get API for master detail payload. So today we are going to create, put and delete API for master detail payload in ORDS Oracle Apex. So let's log into your workspace, go to the ORDS and REST data full service. After that, we have a template and model here. So this is the model that we have created in our previous tutorial, which is the sale order. So we are going to create a template for update order, and we are going to use sale order ID as a variable that we are going to pass through URI. Let's create this template, and we are going to create handler. So this will be a put handler to update the record. So I shall provide the link of this script into the description of this tutorial. So this code is used for update the sale order information. So here you can get the body in the body text variable from the external source, and then we are going to parse the information, and based on the variable that we are going to pass in the URI, we are going to update the order header information by getting the information of customer name and order date. And after that, we shall delete all the records of detail against this order ID and then enter new information into the detail table. So here we are going to use the loop for items and then add the values into the detail table by capturing their reference. For example, I have this payload, and here we have a customer name, order name and items. Then item have the reference of item and name, quantity and price. After that, if the record is updated, then we get the status 200 and success message and the order number. If there is any error, then we get this error with 500 code. One thing that we have to do here to map the order ID with this variable that we are passing through URI. So, and a row, enter the name of the actual column and then the bind variable, then set the method which is the in. You can see that it is an in method. After that, we have to choose the source, which is the URI, and then it is a number, so you can choose the integer. So simply create handler. So this is the full URL. Now we shall open new SQL command to get the detail of this order number. So you can see we have two items here, mouse and keyboard. Let's say if we add one more item here, for example, laptop, and add a quantity one in the price, then we are going to select this full URL and pass over here and mention the order number and click send. So you can see that we have the success message and order ID 221 and the status is 200. Okay. So let's see in our database, click run, and you can see that the item name, laptop, and the price is reflecting as we have mentioned into the host name. So similarly, you can change the name and let's move to the orders table and see the detail of this order. So you can see that the name has been changed. So thus you can create the updates in your existing code by using the put method. And this is the query that we are going to use, and you can say this is a script we are going to use. And here we are binding the variable. So the next handler is to delete the record. So we are going to create a new template here. It will be the delete order, and we are going to use sale order ID. And now we are going to create a handler, and it will be a delete method that we are going to use, and the script that we are going to use for delete the record is mentioned here. So what we are doing here, we are deleting the order details, data of order against this sale order ID. Then we are deleting the order header with the help of this sale order ID, and then commit and sending back the success message. And here we have to bind the variable. Now create this handler, and this is the full URL of your. Now go to this URL, select the delete method and provide the ID of the order that you want to delete and press send. So you can see the success message, order deleted successfully. So let's go to your database and see that no data found. It means order has been deleted. Details and no data found. So by using this delete handler or your delete method, you can delete the record of master detail payload. So I think you have learned something useful at Developers Diary regarding the master detail payload. See you in the next tutorial.